Hey everybody, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters today. It's the feeling of fall in the air. It's the middle of October, and I love that crisp air. It's perfect sleeping weather, and then it gets warm in the afternoon. But in any event, I digress, and I also will digress a second time. I didn't plan on making a video today, but I did because our Director of Brand Operations, Mick LaForte, said, Greg, I need a video on this topic for our continuing blog series. So I want to say hello to my friends at the Jackson County Fair in Jackson, Michigan. I was there in August. It's a wonderful, wonderful event. Good for families, kids. Leonard Skinner was scheduled to be there. Unfortunately, COVID happened and one of their bandmates had to sit out. So instead, Blackstone Cherry filled in and did a wonderful job. But in any event, today's video is about why it's so difficult, why it's almost impossible to hire maintenance vendors. And now, if you think it was easy to hire maintenance vendors before COVID, you got another thing coming. It's only gotten worse, all right? And we're seeing that. Hiring, it's almost impossible. We're giving everything. Literally, we're giving the whole farm away to prospective employees, okay? They come in, we offer them paid time off, 401k match. We now have dental health benefits as well. And on top of that, you get to pick your own schedule and create your own paycheck. And we're not micromanagers. It does not get any better than this for this type of work in this industry. And people are still across the table from me like this. Well, you know, what else do you do? Do I get bonuses? Do you send me checks in the mail? Can I stay home every day? No, you gotta work. I'm all set. I'll let you know. Okay, the mentality has shifted greatly. And I think because people have accustomed their new lifestyle of staying home and kind of being in charge of their own ship, which is great, but I feel people have to put that newfound lifestyle to its best and highest use, the best purpose possible, and I feel a lot of folks are not, okay? So what I'm saying in your shoes, you know, you're trying to get a plumber or an electrician out to your house to fix a water heater or light your pilot, you're going to have extreme difficulty because, number one, you are a small fish, a very small fish in the pond. Actually, in the ocean, let's say. The ocean of potential customers, you are a small little guppy right where the wave is crashing onto the sand. Those little shiner fish that, you know, when you step in the water, they run away. Those ones. Because you only have one job, you're one person, and you're likely inexperienced, and you're likely on a budget as well. And contractors know this. They've been around the block a few times, maybe even your actual block, and they know what type of positions you're going to have. When can you come? How much is it? Can you do better than that? Do I get a warranty? Are you going to clean up? Can you take the old water heater? They know what's going on and they know what to expect from the typical homeowner. So in turn, on the other side, when we call a vendor, right? We'll call a plumber to say snake a drain. They're all on it. We're a big fish. We're a shark in the ocean because we have a lot of opportunity. We have a lot of jobs. We have a lot of money. We don't haggle. We accept them, who they are, what they do, and let the professional be the professional. Unless, of course, something happens. But in most cases, it's beautiful. For example, here's a bill from one of our vendors last week. In Pawtucket, he snaked a bathroom sink line. Perfect example. We get the bill, charge the customer, tenant's happy, all set. But it's not so easy nowadays because the entitlement, as I alluded to previously with hiring, and then the fact that you're a small fish in a big pond, these contractors are looking for the big score, the big cash. And they're usually not going to find it with Joey or Sally homeowner. And that's just the truth. So you're asking yourself, Greg, what do I do to make myself more competitive? Well, number one, attitude. When you call them, you have to be to the point. Don't take up their time. Don't tell them about, back your car in this way because, I need to get out for work and the dog runs this way, and they don't want to hear it. They don't want to hear it. Number 2 is let them know that you're flexible on time. Don't tell them, I need you here at this time because I go to work at this time. Again, they don't want to hear it. Just say, hey, come whenever you can. The sooner the better, obviously, because I need heat, I need hot water, whatever it is. But you need to be flexible. And then third thing is don't even discuss price. And I know that sounds like scary, but do not bring that up on the front end. Wait till they get there, and then when they assess the issue, you can say, okay, now they're here, now they're in my basement, I've accomplished the first task. The second task is figuring out what it's going to cost me. Then is a good opportunity to say to them, what are you thinking on price here? And they may say, well, now that I'm here, it's less than I thought, or it's more than I thought, or you're going to need this. That is where the negotiation will start. And I caution you at that point, don't give away negative body language. People do that. You're going to give that to them, and then they're going to get pissed. They're not going to like you. So I am a big advocate of the smile and the nod. Or even like the inquisitive, like, Because they read people all day. They know. So if they see that you're receptive, they see that you're open, they see that you're not attacking them like 99% of people do, they're going to be relieved and they're going to be comfortable. And you want them to be comfortable when they're working with you, so that in the future when you call them back, they pick up and you form a relationship. So that's what I'm getting at here, is you want to establish credibility, you want to form a bond, so that in the future, maybe if you need a carpenter, you can call him and say, hey, Joe the plumber, do you know a good carpenter? And he says, oh yeah, call my cousin Tommy, he'll take care of you. Tell him Joe sent you. And then there you go. It continues. And then when you go talk to him and you need a roofer, he tells you about his friend Hector, Mick, whatever his name is. And it just keeps going. So you want to start small. You want to be passive, but fair and firm at the same time. And you want to use that to leverage and create your network of vendors, because that's how you have to do it. There's no button clicking. You can't control these guys and gals the way that you control your food or your gas, where everything is automated and you command the price and you command the service. No. Contractors command relationships, respect, and integrity. And if you can't offer them that, they're going to see you later. Bye-bye. I'll call you back. Block. That's how it works. That's the truth. So I'm telling you this because we love you. We want to help you, and we want to see you succeed. So if you have any questions on this topic, please do not call me. Call Mick, our Director of Brand Operations. He'll pick up his phone. Once again, Greg Rice at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.